In this video lesson, we will be learning about the human body. We can simply define the human body as the entire structure of a human being, and that is basically what we see when we stand in front of a dressing mirror after taking a shower. This is a great representation of the human body, and this diagram will replace my not so good drawing. The human body has some basic features, and these features include a head, a neck, a pair of arms, a pair of hands, a pair of legs, a pair of feet, a trunk, sometimes referred to as a torso, and this is made up of a thorax and the abdomen. As intimidating as this diagram may look, be rest assured that by the end of this video lesson, we will come to appreciate and better understand the complex nature of the human body. To set off on the right foot, we will begin by talking about cells and how they make up the human body. The human body. Well, the average adult has well over 100 trillion cells, making humans multicellular organisms. Alright, so many of these cells are specialized in form and functions. In other words, they have shapes and other features that make them play specific roles. A typical example will be the nerve cell. The nerve cell. The nerve cell has long projections that enables it to send signals to other cells. And another example is the muscle cell, which has so many mitochondria. To provide energy to the cell to perform its tedious tasks. The next level of organization, after so many specialized cells that have similar roles and functions come together, will be the tissue. There are four main types of tissues, and they are the connective tissues, the muscular tissue, the epithelial tissue, and the nervous tissue. A simple mnemonic to remember these four basic tissues is semen, pronounced as semen. Alright, so the next level of organization, after similar tissues come together, will be the formation of an organ. Organs we can think of will be the stomach, because I like eating, so that was my priority. That was just by the way. The brain, the lungs, the heart, etc. The next level of organization will be organ systems, and organ systems are formed when several organs come together to perform essential life functions like breathing. So organ systems we can think of will be the respiratory system, digestive system, etc. In the next few seconds, we'll be outlining the other organ systems. In total, there are 12 organ systems. 12. Alright. So organ systems come together to form the human body. Alright, so we have organ systems. To be able to outline all the 12 organ systems, there is this mnemonic which I learned in school I want to share with you, and it goes by my regular lesson is completely ruined. And the capital letters in this statement will represent each of our organ systems. So to start with, S will be for the skeletal system, M will be for the muscular system, R will be for the respiratory, L will be for the lymphatic, I will be for the integumentary, C will be for the cardiovascular system, R will be for the reproductive system, and on to the eighth one, U will be for the urinary system, I will be for the immune system, N will be for the nervous system, E will be for the endocrine system, and D will be my all-time favorite, the digestive system. Now that we've been able to outline all the 12 organ systems, we can give the major organs that make up the organ systems. And for the skeletal system, we have the bones and cartilages. For the muscular system, we have the skeletal muscle and the smooth muscle. For the respiratory, we have the lungs. Lymphatic, we have the lymph nodes. Integumentary, we have the skin, hair, and nails. Cardiovascular, we have the heart and blood vessels. Reproductive, for the females, we have the vagina. For the males, we have the testes and the penis. For the urinary system, we have the urinary bladder and the kidneys. For the immune system, we have the spleen. We have the white blood cells. For the nervous system, we have the brain and spinal cord. For the endocrine system, we have the adrenal gland and the hypothalamus. For the digestive, my all-time favorite, we have the stomach and esophagus, amongst others. This is a summary of what we learned today. I hope today's lesson has been interesting. I'll see you in the next one.